Good day, everyone. Today, I am here to inform you about one of the most important skills we use every single day, which is communication. Communication is the process of sharing ideas, thoughts, and feelings between people. It can be verbal, like speaking and writing, or nonverbal, like gestures, facial expressions, and even our tone of voice. Without communication, understanding would not be possible. Communication plays a vital role in our lives. In school, it allows us to learn, ask questions, and work with classmates. In our personal lives, it helps us build friendships and strengthen relationships. In the workplace, communication makes teamwork and problem solving possible. It is also important to remember that communication is not only about talking, but also about listening. Listening carefully show respect and help us truly understand what others mean. In today's modern world, technology has expanded. Communication, social media, emails, and video calls connect us across distances. But this also means we must be careful and responsible because the words we say and share online have lasting impact. Therefore, communication is more than just exchanging words. It is the key to understanding, connection, and growth. By learning communicate with clarity, respect, and purpose, we become not only better students but also better individuals in society. That's all. Thank you.